Sherry. Sherry's like, why am I getting all the Celtics? I want Larry Bird. And there he is. Oh, I believe. Oh, it's not the. It's the super action. Oh, man. It's Sherry again. Sherry. Oh, my goodness. 101 East. Hit that horn. 3 Celtics in a row. 3's the charm. Well, Larry Bird, Wes Unselt's not even going for the rebound because there's a 99% chance Bird's going to make it. Or is he getting a rebound? There's a 99% chance he'll get the rebound. So Wes is like, screw it. Let Larry do his thing. We're here to bring out the cardboard treasure. Spot 7, Richard. A little bit left to right. But there is the Magic Man flying through the air. Oh my goodness, let me tell you something, at $39.95 per card, why not take a shot with the 81. Card 21, pack Freshalicious. Same damn pack, Bird and Magic. Good stuff right there. The show started off